Hello, everybody. Sorry about that little delay there. Um, just figured I'd come in here and do a quick update because I got new data, and it is 12:43, quarter to one in the morning, quarter to 1 a.m. in the morning. I got new data on Friday the 14th wind storm that we're gonna get. Yeah, we're calling it a wind storm. Um, let me bring you into it. Here's the JR Disposal Futurecast once again. These little numbers, I don't know if you can see them or not, but that's the wind gust right there that I'm circling. That's the wind gust. All those little white dots are wind gusts. And the color that you see is the constant sustained wind. So, that being said, the constant sustained winds are 12 mile an hour with a 27 mile an hour wind gust up at Grayford, a 35 mile an hour wind gust up here at PK, and the Lone Camp area is going to be about a 33, and then down here in Strawn is going to be about 33. So that is all the explanation. The model right here is the time, 4 o'clock for the 14th. That's the model time. And then up here is the date and time that I'm making this video. And it does expire at 12 noon on the 11th, which is today. And so, um, oh, I've got that. They're already talking about stuff over here. Well, I'm going to put this in motion and we're going to watch the winds and wind speeds pick up throughout the day on Friday. The purple and pink, those are sustained winds of 22, 26, 22 miles an hour. We've got wind gusts already up to 40 mile an hour by 8 o'clock in the morning. This is all Friday, Friday the 14th. 40 mile an hour wind gusts already at 8 o'clock in the morning. There we go. Now this is at 9:30 in the morning, and we're already up to 50 mile an hour wind gusts with a sustained 26 mile an hour wind. 47 up here at PK, 44 down here, and so yeah, let's see here. Strawn about 44, 44. Gordon 42, 42, 42. PK's 47. So there you go with that. And I'm going to put it back in motion. This is all just Friday. Now, it looks like they dropped off a little bit there. This is at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Sustained winds are 30 mile an hour sustained winds with 42 mile an hour wind gusts 43. Now, that mind you, this is still what? 3-4 days out. So things can change. Back in motion here. And it's dropping back down. Now we got sustained winds of 27. We've gusts at 36. And they're dropping down. See them drop down to about nothing. And the sustained winds at 10 o'clock at night. Come on, reload. Sustained winds at 10 o'clock at night are going to be 13 to 14, 15 mile an hour with 23 mile an hour wind gusts. So we're still going to be gusty. So if there's any fires that are started, it's going to be a mess for this area. Ranger, Eastland, same for you guys. Let's start it back over for Ranger and Eastland. There we go. And there it is at 7 o'clock in the morning for Ranger and Eastland. I don't know what county this is. Sorry. So, there's 24 with 37 mile an hour wind gusts right there. I'll rotate up. I'll go to Stevens and all them here before too long. And at 11 o'clock in the morning, we got 46 mile an hour wind gusts with sustained winds of 30, 31 mile an hour. down here. And right there, that's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Sustained winds at 35 mile an hour. Wind gusts of 44. 47 down here. Finish it on out. It looks like about 1 or 2 o'clock they're going to die down a little bit, maybe 10 mile an hour on the wind gusts. And then that's it. And that's 10 o'clock at night, and you're still at 16 to whatever. Stephenville, or Stephen County. Isn't this Stephen? I don't know. This Erath, maybe. Or Hood. I don't know. You guys are in the same boat. There's the 37, 36 mile an hour wind gusts. And right there at 4, that didn't look right. It looks like you guys may not be getting the wind gusts like everybody else. I mean, you're going to get it, trust me. Yeah, it gets up to about 45 mile an hour wind gusts up here with sustained winds of 30. Right there, 45 mile an hour wind gusts, 42, 42. Ico 42, Stephenville 45 mile an hour wind gusts through all that. Okay, Stephen County. We'll go over here. Put that in motion. Oops, back it up to the beginning. This is the Breckenridge, Albany area, all that. And there's 50 mile an hour wind gust with 32 mile an hour sustained winds. So, yeah, look at all that. And that the peak of that is going to be at 11 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, because it starts dropping down after 11 o'clock. I mean, a couple mile an hour. It's not going to be noticeable until late at night. And even late at night, we're talking, even at 10 o'clock at night, it's going to be 15 to 16 miles, 17 mile an hour wind gusts, or 31 mile an hour with 17 mile an hour sustained winds right there. All right, let's go to Young County. This is where one of our admins or moderators is. So start from the beginning. This is at 4 o'clock in the morning, Young County. Got 35 mile an hour wind gusts. Looks like 35 down here, 20 up in the northern part of the county. Go ahead and put it in motion. And let's see where that takes us. See, that's 9 o'clock in the morning. 27 mile an hour sustained winds. 46 mile an hour wind gusts. 45 mile an hour wind gusts. Right there was a 50 mile an hour wind gust. And it drops down. Let's go back to that 50 mile an hour wind gust. See what time that was. Right there at 10 o'clock in the morning. Sustained winds of 30 mile an hour with 50 mile an hour wind gusts. Well, it says 49, but we can say 50. Safely say 50. So there you go on that deal. That's Young. Now let's go over to Jack County. See how bad Jack County's going to be. Again, we're starting out 4 o'clock in the morning for Jack County. 15 mile an hour sustained winds with 35 mile an hour wind gusts. Put it in motion. Let's see when the winds peak out there. Looks like the winds peak out at 10 o'clock there, about 50 mile an hour wind gusts as well, with sustained winds of 30 mile an hour, we'll say. So that's what that's looking like for Jack County. Weatherford, Parker County. Let's go back to the beginning for Parker County. Excuse me here while I gotta take that off. There we go. There we go. Okay, go back to the model. This is Parker County. So there you are, 40 mile an hour wind gust at 4 o'clock in the morning on Friday. Let's put it in more motion. Looks like Parker County's only going to peak out at about 40, 42, 40. There's some 45s on the south of I-20. If you're south of I-20, it'd be about 45 mile an hour wind gusts. North of I-20, it'd be about 40, 45 with sustained winds of 30. So, Granbury, I think that's Hood County. Yeah. We'll start from the beginning with you folks. 35 mile an hour wind gusts right there with a sustained, that's hard to say sometimes, tongue twister, 15 to about 15 mile an hour. Let's go ahead and put it in motion. See what the wind gusts peak out on it. And looks like 10, 11 o'clock in the morning, it peaks out at 44, 45 mile an hour wind gusts with sustained winds of 28, 29 mile an hour probably. So, there we go. Now, dew points, that's going to be another issue. Let's see. So, we're looking at 11 o'clock. We'll go 11 o'clock on the 14th. So, that's when the peak of the wind gusts are. Oops, if I can find it here. 1, 4, 10. We'll go 10. And we're going to do dew point. We're vectoring in the dew point right now. So, yeah, there's the dew points. 37. Oof. 18? No way. Ooh. 18 dew point when we're having 50 mile. Oh my gosh. Yeah. That right there. The dew point humidity. That and the wind and temperature and everything, that is disaster. Anything below 30 is bad. But when you're down to the teens, it's really, really bad. Oh, heck, it's in signal digits over here. Oh, man. All of Eastland County is in the teens, basically. Palo Pinto County is half of it's in the teens, and that's at 1 o'clock. Yeah, look at that. 14. Strawn's down to 14 with 30 mile an hour sustained winds. Man, I'm not trying to scare anybody, but I just be prepared because, man, that is just crazy. Look at that. Teens, 30 mile an hour sustained winds at that. Whew, goodness. So, there you go. I really don't know any other way to put it besides this is bad. I mean, we're going to be, I guess I should have showed that, shouldn't I? We'll go to here. Oh, it doesn't go out that far. Let's go to here. Turn that off. We're going to go to there. I'm going to switch it back here. Hold on here, folks. Model. And clear all. There we go. SPC. No. Let's see. That'd be day 4 or day 5. If I can find it, that would be great. There it is. SPC day 6. Nope. Day 5. Yeah, day 5. Look at that. So it's still calling. Look at the size of that blob. And we are right there. Oh, wow. That's 1, 2, 3. I mean, if you want to count that, that's 4. 4 states in a big old blob. And that's over half of Texas. I mean, that's what we're looking at. That's day 5, which is Friday. Day 4. So this is Thursday. It's all out to the west of us. So, yep. Fire detection. I don't know if that's going to be on there or not. Drought monitor. Let's see if the drought monitor shows us. Yeah, drought monitor shows us in a moderate right now, but that will change come, yeah, that's going to change. So there you go. Well, be prepared. Have your plans, have your routes, um, have your meeting points. So, if anything should ever happen and you can't get hold of family, you guys all have your rally point, your safe spaces to rally to or whatever. Um, Listen to your local authorities. If anything needs to happen, local authorities will alert you. Media. Um, so yeah, be ready. And if it happens to hit the fan and we start to get a big one going, I'll go live and try to provide some updates as they come. Um, and that's about all I can say for right now, besides be safe. And I appreciate y'all. And if you want to donate, go to my Venmo and donate. It helps out. And be sure to mention JR Disposal for sponsoring this and taking care of their neighbors like they always like to do. Jack and Terry and the family are very excellent people. And I appreciate very much them and their drivers and their employees. They work hard every day. So I appreciate y'all. I'm out. Y'all have a good one. Be safe. Bye bye.